What's up, Glam Fam? This is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and today I'm coming to you with another mini tutorial. This is going to be a skill that you can pick up in 5 minutes or less. Today we're going to be doing a simple eye look that is super polished, but really easy to pull off. So if you guys want to see how to get this look in less than 5 minutes, stay tuned. I'm going to be using the Desi and Katie Francation palette by Dose of Colors for this look. So I'm going to pick up the Francation palette and I'm going to use Girl Bye, which is this one right in the middle, this mauve color, and I'm going to put that directly into my crease. So we're going to use this and bring it into the outer corner and then about 2/3 of the way up into the crease. Now I'm going to take Necessary and I'm going to blend that all into the transition space, so all over the whole eye. I'm going to just grab that and like just give it a go. Like all in here. We're going to blend Girl Bye out. Switch back and forth between Necessary and Girl Bye to get the blend that you want. Right now I feel like I'm losing some of Necessary, so I'm going to put a little bit more right here in the outer edge. And then blending the harsh line out with a little bit of Necessary. And I'm going to grab Game Over with my flat shader. I'm going to put that right on this area here. Just a little bit, because y'all know I like to mix shimmers, right? This will still be really great and cute for every day if you mix a shimmer. Alright? And then in the front, we're going to pick up Churro. And we're going to put that next to Game Over. Tap it down. We're blending Churro and Game Over together right here so that it's a nice little blend, and then we're going to go back into Girl Bye and just kind of bring that over here into the corner. Now that I'm finished this eye, I feel like it needs a little bit something else. So I'm going to take this Makeup Geek Define Crease Brush and go into Dirty Money. This is Dirty Money, and I'm going to put that right out here, out in the edges. Just to kind of round that a little bit. And then we're just going to go over that again with the brush that had Girl Bye on it to blend most of that darkness out. But now you got like a little shadow, you see? Now we're just going to bring Girl Bye under the lid to round it out. And then a little bit of Dirty Money to kind of ground out the lower lid. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I ended up using MAC's Night Moth lip liner and ABH's Poet lipstick just to get this like rosy, like mauvey lip look that kind of really matches. It brings out the rose tones in the eyeshadow look. If you guys don't wear lashes, you don't have to put them on. You can just use mascara to bring out your natural lashes. You also can put a wing on this if you so choose, but that is entirely up to you. This look is really simple and it's really pretty. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and that's located at the bottom of the screen. Also make sure that you comment and subscribe. Once you hit that subscribe button, a notification bell is going to pop up. I need you to click that as well so that you guys can be part of the Glam Fam. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.